Welcome back, future chemists. I'm Dr. Adam, and this is my electrifying sidekick electron. Today we're exploring how atoms form bonds, the glue that holds our world together. Ever wonder why some atoms share electrons while others just give them away? Let's find out.
I'm ready to bond. Let's do this.
Here's sodium with one lonely valence electron, and chlorine with 7 valence electrons, almost a full outer shell. Sodium is eager to give its electron away, and chlorine can't wait to grab it. When they meet, boom! Opposites attract and we get an ionic bond. Sodium becomes positive, chlorine becomes negative, and together they form sodium chloride table salt.
That's electrifying. But what about sharing?
Great question, electron. Let's look at water. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron, and oxygen has 6. Instead of transferring electrons, they share them to fill their outer shells. Sharing is caring, and that's a covalent bond. Why does this matter? Bonds determine how substances behave. Ionic bonds make compounds like salt strong and stable. Covalent bonds, like in water, create flexible molecules essential for life. Understanding bonds helps us predict and use these properties.
So bonds aren't just cool, they're life-changing.
Look at Group 1, the alkali metals. They all love to lose one electron, forming ionic bonds with halogens in Group 17. It's a perfect match.
What about carbon?
Great question. Carbon has 4 valence electrons, so it shares them equally with other atoms, forming covalent bonds. This makes carbon the backbone of life, building molecules like DNA and proteins. Here's a challenge. Magnesium and oxygen form an ionic bond, creating magnesium oxide, used to line furnaces because of its high melting point. Bonds aren't just science, they're practical. So, why do some atoms share electrons while others give them away? It's all about valence electrons in the periodic table. Bonds shape the world around us, from the salt on your fries to the water you drink. Ready to create some bonds of your own?
Let's get bonding. Science rules.
Now it's your turn. Use the element cards in class to predict and model bonds. Until next time, stay curious.